Tonight on Documentify TV, in this episode, we explore the Portland Vase. This stunning piece of Cameo glass has been a source of fascination for centuries, and its story is as intriguing as it is beautiful. Crafted between 30 BC and 25 AD, the Portland Vase is a masterpiece of Roman craftsmanship. It was made using the dip overlay method, where a layer of white glass was applied over a darker blue base. Skilled artisans then carved away the white layer to reveal the blue underneath, creating the detailed relief scenes that adorn this magnificent vessel. The vase features a continuous white relief decoration depicting 7 human figures, a large snake, and 2 bearded and horned heads. These scenes are often interpreted as mythological, possibly depicting the marriage of Peleus and Thetis from Greek mythology. The intricate craftsmanship and the mystery surrounding its meaning have captivated art lovers for generations. First, recorded in Rome in the early 17th century, the vase passed through several notable collections, including the Barberini family and Sir William Hamilton. It was acquired by the Duchess of Portland in 1784, giving it its current name. The vase became an overnight sensation in Britain, inspiring artists and collectors alike. The Portland vase inspired Josiah Wedgwood to create ceramic replicas in jasperware, which became highly popular. Its influence extends beyond glass and ceramics, symbolizing neoclassical design and inspiring generations of artisans. In 1810, the vase was loaned to the British Museum, where it remained until it was purchased in 1945. Tragically, it was smashed into over 80 pieces in 1845, but was painstakingly restored. Today, it stands as one of the museum's most prized possessions. The Portland vase continues to captivate audiences with its beauty and craftsmanship. It remains a powerful symbol of Roman artistry and a reminder of the enduring appeal of ancient artifacts in modern times. From its creation in ancient Rome to its current home in the British Museum, the artifact can be safely viewed for all to see this beautiful masterpiece. Let's see you buzz the comments. We would love to see your thoughts. That's it for tonight's video, folks. See you next time, right here on Documentify TV.